How to send GIF in Messenger. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily send a GIF in Messenger application. So first thing, just head over to your Messenger application just like this and just enter any of the chats or groups and just click on this message option at the bottom, and once you click on it, you will be seeing emoji option right next to it, right next to your like button as well. So just tap on it, and from over here you can see there's an option called GIF. You can also see there's an emoji option, avatar option, and sticker option. So right next to all of them there's GIF option. So from over here you can just type in anything, any specific GIF that you want to send, and just tap on it and it should be successfully sent as a GIF. So that is exactly how you can easily send a GIF on Messenger application. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.